Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a button to your MailerLite campaign. This is a great way to make your emails more interactive and encourage your subscribers to take action, whether that's visiting your website, making a purchase, or signing up for an event. First, open your browser and navigate to MailerLite.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can manage all your email campaigns and automation. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From there, click on Campaigns. This section houses all your email campaigns, both drafts and those already sent out. It's your central hub for managing campaign content. Now you'll see a list of all your campaigns. Find the specific campaign where you want to add the button. This could be a newsletter, promotional email, or any other campaign you're working on. Once you've located it, click on Edit beside that campaign. This will open up your campaign for modifications. After clicking Edit, you'll need to access the email design interface. At the top of the screen, click on Design Email. This is where the real customization happens, allowing you to craft the visual layout and content of your email. Give it a moment to load if needed. Once the design interface opens, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find a search bar where you can look for specific elements to add to your email. Type in button and hit enter. This will filter the available elements and show you all the button options MailerLite offers. Now you'll see several choices for different button layouts. You can choose from logo plus button, title with button, a simple button, 2 buttons, or even 3 buttons. Each option serves different purposes depending on how you want to structure your call to action. For this example, let's keep it straightforward and drag the simple button element into your campaign. Position it wherever you'd like it to appear in your email layout. Once the button is placed in your campaign, click on it to activate the editing options. This will open up the customization panel on the right side of your screen. Here you have full control over the button's appearance. You can adjust the top padding and bottom padding to create spacing around your button, making it stand out more or fit seamlessly into your design. You'll also notice the button style options, which let you choose between primary and secondary styles. The primary style is typically your main call to action with bold colors, while secondary is more subtle. Adjust the color of both the primary and secondary button styles to match your brand colors or campaign theme. You can also modify the background color to ensure the button contrasts well with the surrounding content. If you want to change what the button says, simply double-click directly on the button text. This will allow you to edit the wording to something that fits your campaign, like Shop Now, Learn More, or Get Started. Make sure your text is clear and action-oriented to encourage clicks. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a button in your MailerLite campaign, making it more engaging and effective at driving the actions you want from your subscribers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.